Hey y'all, just gonna do a quick little review on the MBRP exhaust and some better sound clips than the last one. This is after a couple rides and using it and washing it and everything. But again, as always, please click like, please click subscribe. If you guys got any ideas for future videos or anything, let us know in the comments. And other than that, sorry it's a little late, but we don't get paid to do this. Something we're just doing for the fun of it. So help us out. Click subscribe, click like. But anyway, I've ridden it a few times, probably a total of 15 hours or so with the exhaust on it. I'm not one to sit there and polish a pipe. I didn't actually even scrub it with any soap or anything. After the last ride, I just rinsed it off. It's getting a little golden color to it, which I think looks better than the bright silver it was. But it runs great. No backfires, no hiccups, no anything like that. It sounds really good, but it's not annoying. It hasn't gotten any louder or anything like that. I like it. Most people hear it and they say it sounds good, but they're not, it's not like you're annoying the crap out of everybody with some super loud, obnoxious exhaust that gets parks closed down and pisses your neighbors off. But that's another video. But anywho, what I'll do, I'm gonna set the GoPro up on a pedestal back behind it, and I'll do a wide open throttle start, and then I'll do a couple drive-bys at different RPMs, different speeds, and then I'll go across the street to my little track and do a couple laps with the helmet camera on. And all right, we'll go right into the videos.